Hello everyone, a warm welcome to FIXtastic Contents, the channel to your solutions. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to get rid of crayon or pen mark on the wall or any surface using WD-40. This lubricant is very effective and it does the job perfectly. I wouldn't recommend using toothpaste because it gets rid of the gloss. So the best method, if you don't want no damage, is use WD-40 and it does the job perfectly. So all you need to do is just spray onto the sponge like this. As you can see, here's the crayons on the wall. So now I'm going to apply my sponge to the crayon and let's see what happens. Can you see? Removing. So guys, this is very effective. Try this bit as well. Yes, perfect. With time, it will be very clear. So I hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Catch you on the next video.